This service video shows how to replace the display. The placement of the display varies depending on the model. There are no tools needed. Parts needed: a new display. Unplug the unit from the power source. To remove the old display, open the top panel to get at the back of it. Pull the plug out of the slot. Press down and hold the buttons on the top and the bottom of the display. Push it through the opening until the buttons click open. Repeat on the other side. Push the display all the way through the opening to remove it. To install the new display, put it in the opening, push and snap it into place. Attach the plug. The new display is now installed. It's that simple.